Ebusu ya sema ba me no ka say the prophet Owusu Bempah e da ba beto abonten say NDC party no ebeko position 2028 ka say hit or say tumi a etai NDC echi e ma ne ba power 2024 no ka say de tumi no e so ate say who Ghana for be say prophet Owusu Bempah is serious because ono na be kan say John Dramani Mahama entimi nya president na emom no obe president bi mo man be si apini anche no na se be twa no be kan say Mahama as an Yankopon so be the president after you say John Dramani Mahama 2 million or the ba power na so ate eno nti no NDC fan hwe ya 2028 umbeko opposition na Ghana for the nsem ya to na emom no ye ndi go tie nsem a prophet Owusu Bempah dey betudwa e dey afa Ghana eni nipa obedi president 2028 no na ewia ya be kire ya dwen nsem Ghana for aka no ha Ghana nsem tidio bidin e dey promise yembo wom ne yenkombra
munti asem we ye.
Listen carefully.
Oman Ghana ntie na NDC as a political party musumuntie.
Ghana, hear me out. NDC as a party, listen to what I'm about to say.
Anadwi ano nyankopon the presence visited me.
Now, just last night, the presence of God visited me.
Na say na me hu no.
And this is what I saw.
Osofo ade na yedi we ade no sensor. Sa na yeka no. The edi we ade no.
Scale.
There be sensor ayi ade na the toso ana ko o the toso ana. What can say? And then scale. Good. Anadwi na me hu sa scale no.
Now, last dawn I saw a scale.
Na say na me hu no.
And this is how I saw it.
Me hu say ekuta openia odi NDC enim.
I saw that this scale was in the hand of the leader of the party.
John Dramani Mahama.
And the person I saw was His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Na me who say spiritual strength ededa sa scale no so.
Now I saw that there was spiritual strength on the scales. Force.
Energy.
Power.
Deɛ me hu ya ne sɛ baabi a ahoɔden kɛseɛ paa wɔ no ɛkɔ fam.
Then all of a sudden I saw that scale, the hand of that scale which had the most power, I saw that it began to lose weight. It began to decline, drop.
Ediomo ba amamu akonya so no. Me hu sɛ aba fam.
I saw that the power that brought them, or the force that brought them into power, I saw that it began to drop.
Me hu sɛ ɛtekɔ fam pa.
I saw that it was dropping speedily.
Ahoɔden a ɔmo de ba.
The strength, the force,
the power
into which they came into power, I saw that it had dropped. That was what I saw.
Na me hu ya no manya happy.
Now, when I saw it, I was not happy.
Ete said ye owura firi wo kan ne do.
Now, it's as if you have forgotten about your first love.
Kai wo kan ne do no.
Remember your first love.
Me hu say NDC spiritual realms, more energy, more strength, more power, and trouble.
Spiritually, I saw that NDC as a party, your energy in the spiritual realm had dropped. And the Lord spoke to me and said, to declare this word for the nation to hear it. NDC members of NDC, listen here. Those in power, listen. The spirit that was backing you has dropped. The force and the power, the energy that pushed you into government, into power, has dropped significantly. And you are dropping. And so,
2 terms.
If you want to rule for 2 consecutive terms, then you must stir up yourself, or else
after Omampeni John Dramani Mahama NDC mubefra ban.
Or else, if you don't do so, after the tenure of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you will lose power.
Man sheye ade onyame de amamo no 2028 muntimi ntoaso.
If you are not careful, whatever God has given to you, you cannot continue past 2028.
Me kasa so onyame difo.
I am addressing you as a prophet of God.
Ana yankrofo say political party bi ba ban mu a omutwa 2 terms.
Now,
omutwa 8 years.
People think that there is a pattern where political parties usually exhaust 2 consecutive terms.
Send this for mo de mo ho to sa asem we say so a.
Now, if NDC trust in this belief that
disappointed,
all parties exhaust 2 consecutive terms before the change,
only 1 term,
you will be disappointed. If you are not careful, you will only last for 1
because
term. Because the scale I saw, the power that brought you into power, the force and energy that brought you into power, started to drop. Now, why is it dropping? Do something about it. Now you can mark today's date. Today is 28th of September 2025. If the members and leaders of NDC do not hear this message and they do not take the steps required of them to take, a time will come that they will refer to today's message.
So many times God
has used me to declare words like this to people.
Serious.
And some people did not take me seriously. Some people even insulted me. Some
people for here no more this abedi ne ba ombeko opposition eno se nkrofo di matem omani ba mo so na si na ma hwe NDC se munim na mukodi matem so Owusu Bempah onokwa waka ne ho me pa mo chao asma me can very serious me here bibia fri obia ho.
Now,
and I will be promising me no disappoint me. If no be akoka say be I promise on ya nyama ntu no de abufuo be ka say amesra mo obi am promising me.
Now, if you don't hearken what I have said and you despise what I have said, it will happen like it happened some time ago when I prophesied and said that a certain political party will decide to bring its vice to be the forerunner. But if that happens, that party will lose power. They did not listen. They insulted me. It came to pass.
Church members.
Let nobody think that somebody has promised Prophet Owusu Bempah something and they have not yet fulfilled their promise. And that is why I am speaking. No, I'm not angry. Nobody has promised me anything. I'm not expecting anything from anyone. I did not prophesy because I wanted something. I declared what the Lord revealed to me. Now, and I've not gone. I've not gone begging for alms. Nobody has sacked me from his house because I went asking for money and they didn't give me. If you despise what I'm saying, you can mark today's date. If you don't take a certain step you are supposed to take, you will lose power very early. But that is not what God determined for you. But you are rather doing for things to become. So please be vigilant. And remember your first love. The zeal, the force, the energy. You came to power. Remember and take the necessary steps. I am a servant of the Lord, a messenger, a carrier of God's word. Maybe this will be the last time I am saying this.
2028
until 2028.
Prophet Owusu Bempah and a Moten and Kan was say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni NDC a bino to me na a tao machi. To me a bomb chidom. 2024. Yakotu abano. It's momudim kunimno. me na waka say the osi tumi no ahoɔden no akɔfam ɔkyerɛ mu sɛ sɛnea ɔno si hu nneɛma in the spiritual world no in the spiritual realm no ɔse sɛ NDC foɔ antra se na ɔma nyom homework yie a John Dramani Mahama Ghana man panyini ewie ne 4 years term na wotwa mu 1 year ewie ya in the 1st November yi a ye call 2026 just next 2 months no or say NDC aban no etwa a year 2028 no ewie a election 2028 ebe koso no omo be lusu yes or say omo be lusu akwakote na fie na or say so obehwa na John Dramani Mahama enye option na emum no nyagopon etie nsem bi a okaye nyagopon ema no akonya ne biom senka ombra na ombeye eniema yie esan so nyagopon bo se nyagopon wa de tumi ne biom a ba be eniema yie nanso oba ye sa bo se no nyagopon no ontimi nde so entiama ahoɔden ne tumi a ene forces a tie the chief from the spiritual world you know some ways our forces ne tumi ne nyina no a start here a declining a start here a brassy now osanso kire mu say Ghana akonya na esiwo no the next potential person of international in 2028 no 100% sure no eye ne say that person no is from the new patriotic party now weina or this answer me to join na Ghana for the book copy of comment section ne mu dia ese woni ense o ka kire ebi mo say Ghana politics ne ehunya nyagopon pa sa na because no copy mo Sudan na entokwa so Sudan e kum nipa the same koko. Is God not concerned about that? That's some of the questions Ghana for busa. Obi so say Owusu Bempah de bia yakon yi ne ho kire wo ade won kwa wo ye wan. San obi so kan yo nyam da me kan wo e comment bi da me read di ama wo. Obi so say yanka kire prophet Owusu Bempah say ya bre no de omo na be kan say John Dramani Mahama entim nya Ghana man panyini biom ende o Ghana man panyini and I'm say oh eno de on say omo asa atwa no be kan say nyagopon say Mahama asesa enti o ma na second chance enti e bia no de e bia na ye no kre but nyagopon to asesa no no ma na second chance no mo say okay fine ya ti ase but now Ghanaians are saying say Prophet Owusu Bempah is not someone that they trust anymore. Yes, almost say they don't trust him anymore. That's what Ghanaians are saying. I'm not the one saying it. I beg. That be what Ghanaians they say. Almost say they don't trust Prophet Owusu Bempah again. What he has here? Almost someone in Dibium because he has been saying a lot of things, and in Yamana Okan. On yet you understand what I'm saying, right? So this is what is happening currently on the media, and Ghanaians are talking about it. Are you sure? Say what Prophet Owusu Bempah is saying, no? And okay, say NDC is going to lose election. Let's know what you think in the comment section. Hi Ghana and CMTV. Idi amejiso. And I promise, Happy New Year.